Good morning, my love. Let us start this day with a mindfulness meditation, helping you to release stress and tension and clear your mind and your heart, allowing you to be fully present and allowing you to reach a state of inner peace. So close your beautiful eyes and turn your focus to your breath, your beautiful and natural breath, the center of life and the center of peace. So become mindful of your breath, noticing all the small details connected to your breath, from your belly rising and falling, how your chest expands and contracts as air leaves your body once again. Follow this natural flow of your breath as you breathe in and breathe out. Everything moves in such a great synchronized harmony, and your breath is steady and relaxed, following its own flow and following its own pace. So pay attention to your breath. Let your breath be your anchor, the one thing that keeps you present. So let your mind stay with your breath, with the inhaling and the exhaling. Following each individual breath, experiencing every single breath as if it is a completely new experience, like a child discovering the world for the first time. So be curious as the child and keep your mind open as you take in this moment and stay mindful, inviting peace into your heart and inviting stillness into your mind. So just relax and follow each breath. Now, when you're ready to start your day, take a deep breath and then slowly and gently open your beautiful eyes. Now continue with this next video on inner peace to recreate balance in your life and in your mind. Namaste.